everyone, welcome with me. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. He only had a hint and a squeeze a Russian agency export on the one time, and oil trends would sit upgrade and the crude price would fly higher. But Vladimir Putin's recording made the losing in the pack with the energy crowd, especially after a public discerning sound on Friday from one of the Russian president. Russian Alliance Indian Premier Minister Narendra Modi. Crude price stayed flat to slightly higher on the day, but on the weekly basis, they fell are a third straight week on news that Iraq. Brief disruption over an oil spill and after Nora's regularly on the explanation of other bumper rate hike by the Federal Express next week. A jump in the U.S. oil rate country to just shy of 600 was also a negative for the market. New York tourist West Texas Intermediate, which surfaced at the U.S. crude benchmark, stand just a can higher at the per mile barrel for the week in the West, down almost 2%, adding to the near 7% loss over two prior weeks. The London Trade Global Benchmark for oil stabilized at 51 cents or 0.6%. The London Trade Global Benchmark for oil stabilized at 51 cents or 0.6%. Over the even in the Iraq, the dollar's regulation dominated Friday's headline on the oil its call, especially widening on the market. However, was also the image of Putin result somewhat similar by his scale ally Modi after Indian primary refused the share reservation for the war in Ukraine. The Fed's party sir talk on the energy is getting less scary this day, said Shrinky Food partner in New York energy heads fund against capital, and Russia's key allies in India and China showed the week they are more like a fair weather friends that one that would stand with Putin in the eyes of the storm. I know that today is not an era of war, and I have spoken to you on the phone about this, the Indian leader told Putin today, chairman of the seat line of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization Summit, which the Russian president has tried to use as a showcase of his alliance with China and India. How Modi and China leader Xi Jinping respond to Putin and the war in the Ukraine is important to crude price, particularly from the perspective of the price cap of Russian oil that the group of seven countries went to the impose from December to limit the West Moscow can year from the energy export to fund the war against Ukraine. For the records, India dismissed the G7 oil price cap, saying the energy security needs and economies will goods growth processed by the interest reference but within direction of India catches admission that the lower of price of Russian crude, that more the demand from the India reference will be, and basically underscore in the aim of the oil price cap, which is reduce Russian difference from oil, world importing nation led by China, and the United States also get to see lower price at a barrel in the future market when discussion of Russia oil lands and the physical market pressuring competing barrels from the Saudi Arabia and the other products. China is also refrained from embracing Putin excessively over the war, forcing the Russian leader of public acknowledge the well-balanced position of the China's friend and the connection with the Ukrainian crisis it was connection Putin and the to make after the Russian military lost important territory in the west this week to Ukraine for first. In the future concession Putin is sent on Friday, Russia will apply in energy commitments in the West live in the rescation against the Russian Nord Stream 2 gas pipelines that runs across the bloc just a couple of the weeks ago. Putin virtually held oil export into with Russia decline with the West. First, the record India dismissed the response to Putin the war in the Ukraine is important to crude price, particularly from the price 50 of the price cap Russian oil. Okay, I think that's enough for me. Thanks for your watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you.